Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we are replacing a head and a shank for this diamond ring. Here we're going to be removing this diamond and we're going to be setting it into this ring shank here. So this is actually a style of arthritic type shank. It's a size 5, but it has a spring going across, and when you press down on it, you can see it's got some little pivot joints and the whole thing moves. So that allows the ring to go over your knuckle and still be able to make contact with the rest of your fingers, so that way it doesn't slide or flip up and down. All right, let's get started. So first step is we're going to remove the spring. So the spring's been removed. Now we marked where the head's going to be located. We're going to cut through here. We have a 6-prong head, and we're going to taper the metal and make everything triangular so that way it can accommodate the head. So we've put our triangle cuts onto our ring. So you can see that we've removed this chunk on either side, and now we'll clean up this section. We're gonna taper down some of the ring to make it more akin to the original ring, and then we're gonna put this head in there and solder it, and then clean everything up. So we've got it so that way this gap and this head fit in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ease the top of this ring. So right now it's very flat. We want to cut down some of this to make it look a little bit more similar to the original ring. It has this kind of like graceful taper on it. We have our ring. We've ground down some of the edges. Now we're going to put the head into the space and we're going to solder everything together. All right, the head has been assembled into the shank, and now we're going to remove the stone from the old mounting and set it into the new mounting. This burr is used to round over the prongs. Right now, everything's very square. What this burr does is it's cone shaped, and it's got 2 little cutting surfaces, and it rounds over the metal. So now we're going to be using a rubber wheel. We're going to clean up the outsides of the prongs to get rid of any kind of tool marks. And then we're going to do the inside, grind that down a little bit, and then we're going to polish the entire thing. We're going to put it into the ultrasonic, then the steamer. We're going to be putting the spring back in. The spring was removed because we were applying heat to the ring, and we didn't want to cause the spring to be harmed during the process. So it was removed initially, and now we're done with it, and we're going to put the spring back in. All right, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, take care.